Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Jemima and this is Mema Creations TV. If you are new here, hit the subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so every single time I upload new videos you get to know. So today I'm going to be doing the part 2 of my last video on how to draft a corset pattern. So I've cut out my fabric now and I've placed it on the table so you see exactly what I'm doing. So I added half inch all around my pattern paper. So this I added half inch here, I added half inch all around here, half inch, half inch, half inch, half inch, half inch all around. But on this part I added 1 inch because it's on the side. Alright, I'm going to start off by ironing my interface to it, and that is what I've done now. I iron my interface on every part of the cup. So as you can see, this is what I've done here. Now I'm going to join them like so. Then after joining this part, I will join the top to it, so it's going to form a cup. Okay, so that's exactly what I'm going to do. I'm going to do it on the two parts of my cup. So now this is it. As you can see, my cup is coming out well. Then I joined it and I've pressed it out very neatly. So I spread out the joining on the inner part, then I ironed it. Same with this. So that's what I did. Make sure you iron yours very well. Alright, so these are my facing and the remaining part of the front and back. So now I'm going to join the fronts together. So once I'm joining the front together, now I'll join the facing and attach it to the cup like so. Alright, so now this is it. I'm going to join the facing for the cup firstly before joining the front. So this cup, exactly what I did for the cup is what I'm going to do for the facing. So once I'm done with that, I'll use it to turn the cup. So that's what I've done now, and I'm going to be showing you right here. This is it. I've joined the facing to it and I've turned it out. So as you can see, this is just like a standard cup now. Now I'm going to this is my front pattern which I've cut out and ironed flatly. So now I'm going to be joining my straps to it. I'm going to join the straps to it, and you can join yours anyhow you feel is beautiful, anyhow you feel it will come out very well. So this is how I think this will come out well for me. So just be creative and do what you feel is nice. Alright guys, so once I'm done doing this like this, I'm going to now attach my cup to it. So remember, I've not join the facing to this part to turn it out. Alright, so now I'm going to do that, then I'm going to join the back and everything to it. So now this is it. I've joined everything. I've joined the front and I've turned it out with the interface. So I'm just going to go over everything I did here. I placed a strap for the back too. After placing that of the front, I place it for the back. Then I attach my zip to it, the regular way of attaching your zip to your fabric. Alright, so now attach my zip, then I turned out the interface. I turned the interface with the main fabric. So I joined this stuff fabric to fabric and the interface to interface. So after joining it, I still add this part row. So I had to go in and stitch this part and close this part up. So I close this part up too, but I still left this open, so I'm going to explain to you how I did this. So I'm going to close that part up too. Alright, so now I'm going to close this under with bias. I'm going to close it with bias or a thin strap for my black fabric. So now this is just how to sew your corset tube. So this is it, and if you did enjoy this video, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and turn on the post notification if you are new, and join the family, guys. So I'm going to see you in my next video.